In this video, I'm going to talk about using the future tense, be going to, and will to discuss your future goals. To do that, I want to tell you a story. This happened about a year or so ago. I had just started a new class of adult, advanced level English as a second language students. We started the year by going around the room and talking about our goals. As students talked about their goals, they sounded very much like Americans do. They used words like, I want to, such as, I want to improve my English. I'm planning to get a better job. I'd like to attend university. And then at the end, this young woman stood up to share her goals. She sounded different. She didn't use phrases like, I want to, I'd like to, I'm planning to. In a very determined way, she said, I am going to improve my English, then I'm going to get a better job, then I will attend university, then I will start my own business. That had a profound effect. She sounded so different from the other students. She sounded so much more credible. Of all the people in the room, I tended to believe that she would be the one who would be most likely to succeed at her goals. If you want to create this powerful effect when you're talking about your goals, talk about them in the future tense. I will, I am going to. If you like this video or found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.